Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Audi RS5 versus E-Tron GT full comparison. Listen as I walk you through key differences in power delivery, charging practicality, interior comfort, and cost of ownership, then summarize who each car suits best. I keep details clear and practical, calling out real-world numbers and everyday usability so you can decide based on driving priorities, budget, and lifestyle rather than hype. We compare acceleration metrics, torque delivery, and braking feel to show how each car behaves on spirited drives and daily commutes. For the electric model, range estimates and charging flexibility matter most, while the combustion option emphasizes immediate throttle response and mechanical feedback. I explain trade-offs in simple terms, give example driving scenarios, and highlight which setup rewards drivers seeking performance versus those prioritizing efficiency and convenience. If this comparison is helping you decide, please subscribe and tap like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof meal prep containers for packing lunches on road trips or weekend drives. They save time and prevent messes in the trunk. Look in the description for the product link and other deals, and grab one if you want to simplify life. Now let's get back to the video. Inside, I compare materials, seat support, and ergonomic layout to show comfort differences during long drives. Cargo capacity and rear seat space influence real-life usability for families and weekend plans. I also cover infotainment responsiveness, driver assist suites, and smartphone integration to reveal which car feels more modern and user-friendly. Expect straightforward contrasts and practical examples, so you know how each cabin will fit your everyday needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.